Hello, people. My name is Olamide Dolakmo Adeleke. So I thought of starting a mini series on my YouTube channel just to tell you about, finance tips basically. And in today's episode, I'll just be running down through three finance tips on how to save money. I'll call it the simplest ways to save money. And I have three on my list. And the first one is fold it, put it in your pocket, and keep it there. I'm sure you'll be, what's this guy saying basically? But what I'm just saying is that a lot of people think that saving, you need to have a lot of money to start saving. But really, it's not that, that's not the case. You just need to have loose change around. That 200 naira that you want to use to get a fizzy drink, just take it, fold it, put it in your pocket, and keep it there. It's as simple as that. There's a saying that says that the best way to double your money is to fold it and put it at the back of your pocket, and then it will get doubled. But literally, what they are just saying is that is in the consistency, it's in the habit of folding it and putting it in the back of your pocket. Before you know it, from just one currency or one paper of money to multiple, as long as you are consistent with it. So fold that money right now, that loose change on your desk or that is laying around anywhere in your room, fold it and put it at the back of your pocket, and try it tomorrow, and then next tomorrow, the day after, the day after that, and then before you know it, in a week you've gathered, you know more of the money. So it's as simple as that, basically. And the second tip is to save the small bills. I've already stated that in the first tip that I mentioned. But just save the small bills. Honestly, save the small bills. Like I have one here. I just decided to do like an experiment, basically, and I have this here. It's a Pringle pack, but guess what's in it? It's loose change. So I have some loose change here. 10 naira, 5 naira, as you can see. I think you can see this. 5 naira, just some loose change. 5 naira, 10 naira, 20 naira, 50. So just from 50 downwards. So you can see, and I'm sure you have many loose change around your room, probably on your desk, in your wardrobe, and all of that. But just look at how much I've been able to gather just by gathering the loose change. And I can save it now. Just throw it in my Pringles pack, and it's saved. So yeah, basically, just save the small bills. It's as simple as that, basically. So save the small bills. And the third tip is starting small and starting now. So don't procrastinate. There's no point procrastinating. Just get whatever you can. The loose change, like I said, I'm always mentioning loose change. That 10 naira, that 20 naira, that 50 naira, that 100 naira, that 200. It doesn't have to be much, it doesn't have to be 1,000 naira. Just take that money, fold it, throw it in your pocket, and you've started the journey of saving. So forget the idea of thinking that you have to have 1,000, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of naira to save that money. Just imagine you save 200 naira every day or 100 naira every day. That's 500 or 700 naira in a week, 1,400 naira in 2 weeks. If it's 100 naira you're saving per week, let's say 5 days a week, 5 working days, 500 a week, that's 1,000 naira in 2 weeks, that's 2,000 naira in a month. Before you know it, you start accruing all of that money, save it, then you can even add to it. You can, from 100 naira you can move to 200, from 200 to 500, and all of that. And maybe gifts from friends, from families, and all of that. You can save it, wrap it up in a place, and then you started your journey of saving. So probably in the next videos I'll show you my saving box. I have a saving box. I made it out of a shoe pack. So I'll show you, and then I'll be in the next videos I'll be uncovering other tips. We could do some of this also. So I'll be uncovering some of finance tips, and please stay in touch so you could learn more of your finance. All right, do have a great day. Bye.